Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to a brand new video. So hope you guys are having an amazing day. So back again with a tech video. In this video we are going to be talking about Note 10 and the Note 10 Pro, the leaks and rumors. So the question you guys may be asking is why I use the words Note 10 and Note 10 Pro since there is only one variant in the Note series. Well, the great news I got for you guys is now Samsung is coming with like two variants in the Note series, the Note 10 and the Note 10 Pro or Plus, whatever Samsung is going to call it. So the thing is, the reason why I could really see is Samsung made two variants in the Note series is because people love the S Pen and the power of the Note series. But the thing is, Note series smartphones are a big on the large side as compared to S series and many other series. So that's why I think Samsung decided to create another variant which is going to be in the small form factor. So talking about the screen size on the Note 10, the standard Note 10 will be 6.4 inch and the Note 10 Pro or Plus will be 6.7 inch. The Note 10 standard Note 10 will run you down about $1,000 and the Note 10 Pro will run you down about $1,200. Now some rumors are saying that 5G will be only available on the Pro version, the Note 10 Pro, but I think it's going to be available on both versions since they are flagship and Samsung has already introduced 5G on the S10 Plus in the Korean market. Now taking a look at these renders, the first thing I could really see is it has a beautiful display edge to edge just like we have seen on the S10 or the S10 Plus, but the one difference I've seen right here is the hole punch is moved to the middle and it's quite small as compared to on the S10 Plus or the S10. So the thing is, it's my personal opinion, I think the hole punch is the best type of notch because it's super easy to ignore. After using the smartphone for like 15 to 20 days, you really forget about the notch. So Samsung decision to move it in the middle, I mean, time will tell when the smartphone will be in the market, but it seems like from these renders that it's quite small. I think people will forget about it. The smartphone does have a small chin on the bottom and that's about it. The rumors are saying there's going to be an in-screen fingerprint sensor, which I think is true because Samsung is already having with the S series also. So taking a look at the back, the first thing you are going to see is it has edge-to-edge glass on the back also. So the cameras are positioned just like we have seen on the A series. So I mean, it's okay, Samsung is trying a different design language on the back, but I think the Note series were a bit better. It's just my personal opinion. And the other thing, since we are at the back, the thing I want to talk about or thing I'm really excited for is the battery because Samsung is offering a 4500 mAh battery on the Note series. I don't know if the Pro version is going to have a 5000 or not, but according to the rumors, it's going to have a 4500 mAh battery, which is a sweet spot for a battery size. It's not too big, it's not too small because on the M series it was 5000 mAh and I think the smartphone was very heavy and it also was very thick. Now some rumors are saying that there's going to be fast charging, the 40 watt of fast charging, but our Ice Universe said there is going to be, but now according to his tweet there is not going to be a fast charging. I mean, there's only going to be I think 25 watt, but we are not looking at a 40 watt of fast charging. But I think it would be very great if Samsung could offer it because it's a big battery and it would charge very quickly. So talking about the processing power of the Note series, the Note 10 Pro, so it's going to come with a Snapdragon 850 or a Exynos 9820. So there are going to be different variants in this smartphone. So the highest one will be of 12 GB of RAM with like a terabyte of storage. So you will also have the option of the SD card, which is super nice if you want to really increase the storage of the smartphone. So the thing is, right now we are hearing all the great news about the Galaxy Note 10. One sad news I really have for you guys is I kept it in the end is it's not going to have a headphone jack. Now it's a personal opinion, most people are fine with it, but I think I really do like headphone jack because it's very easy for me to plug a mic in my smartphone using the headphone jack. I can record videos and you can charge your smartphone and put on a headphone at the same time. It's not the best thing to do in the world, so I think if Samsung could bring the headphone jack back, it would be super nice. But recently Samsung also took out the headphone jack from their mid-range smartphone from A series, so I think Samsung is also trying to go towards the side just like many other smartphones are doing. I mean, OnePlus also removed it, so it's great that Samsung kept it with the S series, the flagship model, and I've been using the S10e and the headphone jack is super nice on the smartphone. So I think why most companies are doing this is to promote their kind of AirPods. I mean, Apple are having their own kind of AirPods. Xiaomi is having their own kind of AirPods just to increase or just to boost their sales. Now most companies are doing this stuff. Apple started this trend and now all the companies are following it. Talking about the launch of the Note 10 and the Note 10 Pro, it will be in August, so there is not a lot of time left, and hopefully we are going to see a new smartphone, a new flagship from Samsung, which is going to have 5G. 5G is a bit of a problem right now regarding Huawei and all that kind of stuff, but I will make a separate video on that. So guys, with that being said, that's it for this video. If you like the video, make sure to give it a like, and if you're new, consider subscribing and become a part of this channel. And thanks for watching, and goodbye.